Hey there everyone, today we are doing a Houdini mount trick with 2 slacks into a triangle. We start out in a Houdini mount. With our non-throw hand, we are going to let go of our thumb, but first we are going to have to expand the triangle in our throw hand, and also I make a little scissors motion to pinch that string to create the slack, and we'll drop it off of our non-throw hand thumb. Open and drop. That pinch is important. You'll see it from this angle here. So that one string on our non-throw hand thumb is what we're dropping. We expand, and then with our throw hand pointer and middle finger, we pinch, and that's what's going to create that slack right there. So this is the first of 2 slacks. The next step of the trick is we are going to cross the yo-yo in that slack. I'll show you a few different ways here. You can rock it back and forth a little bit to get momentum. The yo-yo doesn't leave the string or go to any new strings. We're just popping it through that slack. The slack is going around. With our non-throw hand thumb, we are going to insert into the open portion of that triangle and do a little chopsticks motion underpass. You can see it from both angles here. Insert the thumb and do an underpass. The yo-yo goes over the thumb. We're going to pop the yo-yo up behind all of the strings and on top of all of the strings. When you get smooth at the trick, you will be able to let go of all of these strings while you pop it up. You should just have a trapeze with some crossed strings there. We're going to open that up on the non-throw hand with our throw hand pointer, pinch with the non-throw hand, and drop this slack over the front of the yo-yo. We are then going to do this motion with our throw hand. I like to pinch, you don't have to. It's going to go underneath the yo-yo as we pop it up, and that's going to create the triangle underneath the yo-yo and pop it through. Here's the trick again in full speed. Hope you guys enjoyed.